Well, heading into the packet pickup for the No Business 100 right now, and had a meeting yesterday, No Business, because they found out there was a course change they had to do very last minute. So apparently the Blue Heron tipple, the bridge that we crossed to get to the Blue Heron aid station and run the Blue Heron loop, failed a maintenance inspection and they can't have people on it. So we're gonna have to ford the Big South Fork River. They've got a rope set up and a swift water rescue team in place tomorrow for the race, just in case there's any issues. But looking forward to it. We're almost there. We're yeah, only a couple miles away from packet pickup.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air.
You have that sick way.
There you go. Put out some information there.
Let's see here. How do I usually follow? Oh, okay. That's all touchscreen.
Yeah.
You're not running this year? We shared a couple miles 2 years ago.
Oh, yeah.
Race, yeah.
Yeah. That was. I'm doing next year.
Next year?
Yeah. Here. Where are you? Oh, fun.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
Yeah, we're gonna trample. 3, 2, 1.
See how well these ski lanes drain with that drain plug. Ooh.
My feet were already like fatigued. That would have felt good.
All right. Heading up the first big climb. We got Derek in front of me here who's done this race 3 times. No, this is his 3rd time. 2 finishes before. Tony behind me. Seth back there. We're moving. It is awesome that the rain held off or came too early. So now we're just climbing. Hey, I'm gonna check out this aid station too.
I normally charge quite a bit for this.
Dude.
Since it's Steven, no charge on this one.
Just past 10, the Great Meadow aid station. 10.3 in and hour and 54 minutes. Now we got the creek bed and climb to Peters. Another 4-ish miles. Yeah. Mountain Aid Station. About 14 and a half miles. What's up, Sean?
Good job, man.
What's up, brother? What's up, brother?
Looks great.
Yeah, buddy.
How's it going?
Feeling good.
Good.
Can you open that? I can't get that open.
How's the weather? Good.
Oh, I'm just sweating like crazy, bro. Just the humidity.
Hey, just water?
Oh, good. PB&J?
Yep, they were all done today.
Awesome, good. I need
There's
some
chips
chips.
and stuff and goats.
How much PB&J to go?
Okay.
Love you. I'm not kissing this. We're on the road now between Peters Mountain and Spring Branch Aid Station. It's about 5 miles of gravel road. Trying to cruise easy. I got 2 new flasks, more spring gels. I ate some peanut butter and jelly, and I was maybe in aid for a minute and a half tops. Nice and quick. I think I had allotted 3 minutes. I'm trying to keep those down, so just moving. I was right on pace, like literally to the minute for my 23-hour goal. So trying to keep it like that, somewhere between 23, 24 pace for a while. 135. Leaving Spring Branch Aid Station. 20.2 miles. 3 hours, 43 minutes. Eating PB&J. Walking for a second if I can eat. And we'll carry on. Feeling really good.
I was like, I wouldn't wish nothing bad on my family members, but I was in such a bad spot that I was like, I hope somebody call me with a family emergency.
About to come into the Bald Knob Aid Station. Gotta get some flasks of sword, some food, and move on. Got it closed off. Man. Let's go straight. Yep.
Yeah, no. I see it, you know?
Yeah.
Aw, bummer.
Yeah, it's really cool to run across, so it's definitely a bummer. Yeah. Sandy. Little day at the beach. That does feel really good. Slick rock. Little up shorts. For the OnlyFans. Oh, sheesh.
Average 14:48 for me. Yeah, 11:45 is what we're moving at right now.
Almost 40 miles for an hour and a half. 44.5 miles in, 9 hours, 10 minutes. Oh, it's getting dark in here. Very much so. It is, I don't know. I think 5:10 maybe. So we don't have much more daylight. It's getting dark. Got the headlamp with me, of course. On the way to Ledbetter Aid Station. I remember in 2020 when I came through here, it was nighttime and I could look up and see like so many stars because this is a dark sky area. It was really cool. Oh, coming into Laurel Hill Aid Station. 55.4 miles. Bib 135. Thank you. $135.
Drop bags are right there.
Don't have one, but thank you. Oh, look at that, dude. And
That is pretty.
John Wallace, man.
Yeah.
woo. Alright, take the heck out of it.
I mean, I think
That's the one that's been the most painful. I didn't even know I had a blister up front. I knew my toes were jacked up, but I knew I had something back there.
It's alright.
those feet needed to be dealt with.
So we're at 77 here. So that means we got 25 left because it's like 102.
Yep.
Well, that's the only way you feel like going fast. It's like you're in a truck, you're just spinning your wheel.
I hate to say it, but we're gonna have to do 630s.
You got this.
We got this.
Bouncy.
Do a little slip and slide on that. Let me bounce you. Let me see the arches.
Elbows hurting from the holes so much. 135.
Something sexy.
I need to change headlamp battery. I need to.
That's in here.
I need to get. Oh well, give me the that other bag.
Oh, you look fast. You look so fast, bro.
Feel fast. I'll be able to do it like what, 11, 11:30.
No, 10:25. Look at you.
There we go.
There's some life in those old legs after all.
92 miles in. Yeah, 92, almost 93 miles.
Only 15 more to go. Call this clip the rundown.
Huh?
This is the rundown right here.
Oh man.
Your ankle's intact.
No rolled
No
ankle.
injuries this time.
No rolled ankle.
You're gonna have to melt these all down one day.
Congrats, man. Way to go.
Where are your
My shoes are
Get him those buckles so you can get some.
Here, let me
What are you gonna do? You're gonna have to grow 2 extra legs.
Right? Heck yeah. That's a nice buckle right there. That's a nice buckle right there.
How'd you guys go through the night?
tougher than you remember, or?
I was on pace for my sub 24 up to about 70 miles.
Yeah, I was watching.
And then just kind of,
Wheels fell off a bit.
yeah.
Or it got cold or something?
No, I didn't get cold. I had like the worst blisters I've ever had in my life on both sides of my heels. I mean, like they were sticking out like that far from off my. Yeah, he popped them and I cleaned them and taped them in down. And we were bandy for like a good 20 to 25 minutes taking care of that.
Yeah.
You know, I lost so much time. And there was a chance if I could like run the whole finish to do it still, but I couldn't. It's all good. Still got a good time and double buck. Heck yeah.